Welcome to my fragrance channel. Today I got, as you can see right here, TikTok shop got me again. I got the Bade'e Al Outld Collection. Yeah, I got the 5-pack. What I'm gonna do is I'll be unboxing these one at a time because I'm not smelling all of these ouds in my nose. All right, so check out the video. So you see, I got this box here. Oh, I got my box. Luckily nobody stole it because I got another package stolen. They really gotta stop. Please stop stealing packages. Boom. Boom. All right. There's a lot of wrapping in here, and we got the 5-pack, y'all. And this one. All right, so I got a 5-pack here. Like I said, I'm not gonna be opening and smelling all these at the same time because I'm gonna get dizzy. So I think I'm gonna start with the Oud For Glory. I'm gonna start with Oud For Glory. This is a dupe for Initio's Oud For Greatness. I'm gonna check this one out, see how close it is. Everybody uses this as like one of the best dupes, they say. All right, so I'm gonna start with this and I'll get with these on the next video. So before I open this up, you know how I like to do, I'm gonna give you all the notes. We got top notes of saffron, nutmeg, and lavender. Middle notes are argarwood and patchouli. Base notes of argarwood, which is oud, patchouli, and musk. So let's get into this unboxing. All right, shall we? This is the front. You see the little window right there. You see the back. Oud For Glory at the top. This is Lattafa. I'm getting the plastic off here. Oh. All right, boom. Kobe with the plastic. You know how we do. A little bit right here. We get rid of that. Okay, I wonder how this box opens. Does this look kind of special? Okay. So it flips up. This is nice, actually. Look. Ooh, look at that black and gold. Fire. All right, all the presentation is nice, a little stuck in there. See, I'll pull it out. Okay, boom, this box is nice too. All right, check this out. This bottle's kind of heavy too, for it to be a small bottle. You see the Lattafa sound at the top. All right, the bottom. Like I always say, none of this matters unless it smells good. So let's see how it smells. Let me see. Oh, you can tell that this is an Arabian fragrance. Spicy, very masculine. I don't think your lady should touch this at all because this is masculine as hell. It smells really good though. People always like complain about oud. I don't think this is a terrible oud to try. Now, let's get this on the skin. Let's see what's going on. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Put it right here. Little oud. Let it dry, let it dry. It's definitely nice. It's spicy, it's oudy, it's heavy. This is not for everybody. I don't even think this is a blind buy. So try it yourself. I like oud. I like to mix it up. I like a little bit of everything. This is like an exact about 99% of Oud For Greatness. This is very good. If you got Oud For Greatness and you don't want to run out of the bottle, pick this one up. This is not an everyday scent. I would put this on just like a switcheroo. Cold weather, please. Don't wear this in the summer. Do not. I repeat, don't wear this in the summer. Keep it in cold weather. Thank you for watching my fragrance channel. On the next video, I'll be unboxing Oud For Honor and Glory. This is supposed to be unisex. I'll tell y'all later when y'all click on the next video. All right. Thanks for watching.